Welcome to Legit Pay Online. If you are a beginner or you are new on my channel, please turn up the notification bell for more updates like this and how to make money online. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel for more updates about airdrop and how to make money online. Without wasting much of our time, let's click on Daily Combo. Our first card is under PR and team. And under PR and team, we are using CEO. That's the first card on PR and team. Click on CEO and go ahead. We've unlocked our first card for today. So now let's go for our second card. Our second card is under Web3. So click on Web3. Under Web3, our second card is crypto farming. Yeah, let's go ahead on crypto farming. Yeah, we've unlocked our second card for today. So our third card for today is under special. So under special, let's go to new card. So under the new card, we are using top 10 global ranking. So under top 10 global ranking, what we are asked to do is to join one of their telegram platform. And what we are asked to do there is for us to just like and love. Yes, all these they have posts, like 2 or 3 of their posts, so let's just like and love. So after doing that, let's go back to the platform, then let's go ahead to claim our prize for today. Yes, as you can see, we can take our prize. So our token is ready to claim. So let's pick up our coins. So if you find this video so helpful for you, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more updates like this. Like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for more updates. And anytime we drop any amazing video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Remember that Allah Yomade loves you. Stay blessed and God bless. Peace.